Hey guys, it's Tony here. I wanted to drop a quick TA on DogeCoin and why I think it's gonna keep mooning up, or just why I think it's gonna keep going up. You see this little purple square? This is basically the consolidation of price, right? So this little square right here is basically consolidation of price. You can see here, it's this little square right here, and up here. Up on this section right here, we can actually see that we just broke it. We already broke this price barrier, which was sitting at 7 cents, 0.073, right? We already broke it. We're retesting down on that support that we just created. We're probably going to go back up. So I think that right now is more than likely going to be, pretty good indication of us going up a little bit further, and it's just us retesting this price right here. But yeah, we actually just broke this consolidation box of the former highs and former lows, and I do think as of right now we are headed, towards the upside, because we are retesting this price point right here. We wicked down. You guys can see here we actually created a wick down. The candle didn't actually break this price, and we only actually created a wick down, which is really, really good. So yeah, man, as of right now, I do see us, continuing on the upward movement as of right now, but you never know, right? This thing can shoot back down like crazy, but as of right now, it does look like we're still pretty bullish. So I just wanted to update you guys on the quick TA. But for the most part, it is looking pretty good. We broke that. Here, I'll show you guys a better view. We broke this section right here. See? We broke it right here in this candle. We wicked down this wick right here, and we're staying consistent on this price point. So I do think that right now we're pretty set on the next price point being around 10 cents. So let's see what happens, guys. I'll see you guys later.